welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria if you're new here, and as you can see by the title, today I will be making snack recipes. These recipes of course are keto. My channel is everything about keto weight loss, and keto food. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, go ahead and give this video a like, and then also subscribe down below. So let's get straight into this video. Okay, so I have everything set up here. The first one is gonna be some keto cookie dough. The second one is going to be keto crackers. So if you're interested in any of those recipes, please stick around and enjoy the video. So let's get right into the video. Like I said, the recipes will be in the description below, and let's just get straight into this video. Okay, so for this recipe, we have 1 cup almond flour, a mixture of 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of sweetener, some coconut oil, of course you can use other brands or a different kind of syrup. I have this one, so I'm gonna try this one and see how it turns out. Lastly, add your chocolate chips. And that's the finished product. You can leave it like this, or you can roll it into mini balls and put those in the freezer. But it's good to go like this. You can just eat it like this. It's pretty good. I hope you guys go ahead and give that a try. That's how the cookie dough looks. I just put some more chocolate on top and a little bit of the syrup. Look at that, guys. Oh, so good. Okay, so the next recipe I have for you guys is a simple and easy cracker recipe. This is keto, of course. So let's get right into the recipe. 1 cup mozzarella cheese, 2 large eggs, some salt. Go ahead and microwave this. So that was a huge fail on my part. I forgot this is gonna be like a fathead dough. So I'm just gonna go ahead and separate the egg from the cheese, and I'll be right back. Okay, so a little egg got cooked in there, but that's fine. Tried to take out as much as I could. Go ahead and add the coconut flour, 1/2 cup. So I don't have any parchment paper. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some oil on the foil paper. If you have parchment paper, obviously that works better. I just ran out of parchment paper yesterday. go ahead and roll that out. And so I want mine to be a little bit flatter. I'm going to continue to roll. So I have my oven already preheated. This is how it looks beforehand. I'll pop them in and show you guys the end product. And those are the crackers. They're really good. They are not all the same size as you guys can see, but they're pretty good. I would just roll them thinner so they turn out like this instead of like that. But if you want like a crispier cracker, definitely make sure they're rolled thinner like this part. But they're really good, guys. Go ahead and give that a try. Maybe you'll have better luck cutting them than I did. And that's how those keto snacks turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.